Mastering the phrase, mix well, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase in English, mix well. This phrase is simple yet versatile and is used in various contexts, from cooking to metaphorical expressions. Understanding how to use mix well will not only expand your English vocabulary but also enhance your fluency in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Firstly, let's explore the literal meaning of mix well. This phrase is commonly found in recipes and cooking instructions. When a recipe says to mix well, it means to combine the ingredients thoroughly until they are evenly distributed. It's important in cooking to ensure that the flavors blend perfectly and the consistency is right. For example, if you're making a cake, mix well might refer to blending the flour, sugar, eggs, and butter until the mixture is smooth with no lumps. Moving on, mix well can also be used figuratively in English. In this sense, it describes how well different things or people work together. It's often used in social or work contexts. For instance, when talking about a team, saying they mix well suggests that the members work harmoniously and complement each other's skills. It's not about literal mixing but about compatibility and teamwork. Understanding when and how to use mix well can be enhanced by looking at common contexts and examples. In cooking, mix the batter well before pouring it into the pan. In social contexts, our new colleagues mix well with the team, bringing a great balance of skills and personalities. In metaphorical situations, different genres of music can mix well to create unique sounds. Noticing how mix well is used in various sentences helps in grasping its nuances. Although we're not focusing on phonetic transcriptions, it's important to practice the pronunciation of mix well. Try repeating the phrase after me, paying attention to the stress on mix and the flow into well. You can also practice by creating your own sentences using mix well in both literal and figurative contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand and confidently use the phrase mix well. Remember, mastering such phrases will enrich your English communication skills, whether in cooking or conversational contexts. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to mix this new phrase into your daily English. See you in the next video.